Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error code 0xc0000185 in Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now, this is a difficult situation because it's either a corruption of the hard disk or it is a correction of the system's operating system. Now, what can we do in this case? So, the first solution will be a check disk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Now press Y and hit enter once again. If this does not help, then the last solution will be a system restore. And how would we do that? So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and then go to recovery. Click on open system restore. Now if your system restore point is not created, you'll have to create it anyway. Click on configure, turn on system protection, apply, OK, and then create a system restore point. Let's say a test point. Click on create. Wait till it's created. Not at the same point, but you have to create it much earlier. So I'm just showing you the process for now. Let us wait till it's created. Okay. Now here's how we can restore the system. Click on open system restore. Click on next. Choose a good restore point. Next finish and then finally click on yes to initiate the process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.